boys. Jazakallah. It's me, TFT, and yes, we are back with another One Take Street Food review. Today's drive-by. Check it out, Mr. M. Now, this place is on 84 Clarendon Road. I think I spelled it right. I think I pronounced it right. It's in Middlesbrough. Opening times, well, it's 4 till 11:30, it tells me, 7 days a week. Now, the interesting thing about this place is owned by the very famous Mr. Papa Muffs from Hartlepool. 25 years in the trade. Why are we here? TFT is going to be telling you why we are here. We went for their Mr. M Munchy Box. Check it out. Let's have a look. With this bad boy, you're going to be getting any parmo. Take a look at that. Any parmo. You got your chips. You got your doner kebab. You're going to get your 2 sauces. Hold it right there, guys. I'm not quite finished yet. You're also going to get a 10-inch pizza of your choice. Take a look at that. All this for a fantastic price of £14. Let's put them next to each other. Take a look. How beautiful do they look? But you know what? As TFT always says, we are not concerned about how they look. What TFT really wants to know is what do they taste like. Right, where do we start? I'm going to start off with the parmo first. It's the tandoori hot parmo, getting closer. You got your tandoori chicken, you got your peppers, you got your onions, you got your chili flakes as well. Now, if I know one thing about Papa Muffs in Hartlepool, they've been in the trade for over 25 years. And one thing that they do, they are very, well, 2 things that they are very famous for is their parmo and their pizza. Have a look at that. What we're looking for is them soft, juicy strands of chicken. We're looking for that delicate sauce with the layer of cheese on, mixing together, coming together, hand in hand, and straight into TFT's mouth. It's like an avalanche. It's like an avalanche of flavors with a slight kick at the end. You can really taste them chili flakes. Chili flakes on top of that parmo is absolutely amazing. Not too many chili flakes as well. Does not disrupt the flavors of everything else that's going on in that parmo. You can taste the chicken, you can taste the cheese, the sauce, the peppers. Look at that cheese pull. Take a look at that. That is what's making that parmo. This little bit here, the cheese, the sauce, and the toppings, that is the secret ingredients to this parmo. And then after that, you've got that juicy chicken as well. Nice crispy batter, well cooked. Wow. These guys have been here 4 months. Guy behind the bar, fantastic. Really good service. Papa Muffs has actually come in as well. He recognized me. He said, I remember you. I said, you were... Papa Muffs was the first review TFT ever did when we started the channel. So, it brought back a lot of memories meeting Papa Muffs. The first day I met him, when I never had any subscribers, he was a lovely fella. And now, we're nearly on 10K, he's still a lovely fella. Right, we're also getting some kebab meat with this. Have a look. Take a look at that kebab meat. Now, Hartlepool, when you say kebab meat, you don't really associate kebab meat with Hartlepool. It's like a medium cooked kebab meat on that. I'm really intrigued. A very posh word for the channel on how this is going to taste. Wow. It's got a really old school taste. The old school doner kebab, the way it used to be. You can delicately see them. If you get in close, you can just about make out them little herbs in there, which are in that kebab meat, which give it a bit of a kick. Not too much, just enough to keep you interested. Let's take a look at their chips. Straight cut chips. A lot of places probably give you fries and stuff like this, but they're giving you straight cut chips. Nice potato content. Yes. I'm just going to add one thing. We're the first people to walk through them doors. We've come unannounced, as TFT always does. It's 4 o'clock. We've come in unannounced, and these chips taste fresh. Sometimes when you get in early and you're the first customer, the food can sometimes be, the quality can get a bit sacrificed. However, them chips, proper steak-cut chips. Also, let's have a look at these sauces they give us. Actually, before we move on to the sauces, let's take a look at this pizza. Have a look at that, the tandoori hot shop. You can see them chili flakes on as well. I think it's got the same topping as what the Parmo had on. Slightly a few more onions on that. But let's have a look at the cheese pull. Are we ready? It's any 10-inch pizza. You got a bit of sweet corn as well. It's got a bit, oh yes, it's doing it, it's doing it, it's doing it, it's doing it. Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna stop? That's gotta be the longest cheese pull TFT has had on the channel. Take a look at the meats on this though. Cameraman is about 6 foot tall. He's got the camera up there. He's making me look like a midget. So bring the camera down a bit. That's better. Make me look tall. Here we are. Take a look at that. Yes. Base as well. Well cooked. I do know Papa Maff's. They're very famous for their pizzas. They do a lovely base. Has Mr. M learnt any tricks? Because Mr. M is running this place. The young lad. Papa Maff's training him, he's running it for him. This was not made by Papa Maff himself, it was made by the young lad behind the bar. Wow. Amazing. What should I say? Stupendous. Really packed with flavors. Nice, soft base. I like the way they've cooked the base. You may think it's burnt, but it's just a bit overdone. It gives you that crispiness, and then you work your way to that soft, spongy center on that base. And then you are, should I say, ambushed by the flavors on the topping of them pizzas. Wow. Sauces, you're gonna get a garlic, you're gonna get a chili. He said to me, TFT, this is our, you wait for this one. This sauce is called, it's called the missile sauce. The dynamite missile. Take a look at it. Oh, look at that. You can see the chilies in there. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but it's very creamy. I better have that kind of pop ready. Wow. Whew. It's got that kick. No Rubicon, so we're going with Fanta Lemon. Wow. I can honestly say I don't think I've tried a sauce like that before. It's very hard distinguishing it. It's got like a barbecue kind of taste. Barbecue, like a barbecue mayonnaise chili. As though they've got all three mixed in one. So if you're coming in here, I'd definitely try out the missile sauce. Garlic. I don't know what Papa Maff's garlic sauce is going to be about, because he does some fantastic garlic. Look at that, creamy. Upon first looks, it looks a bit milky. When you dip your chip in, it's very creamy texture. Like I said before, if you go to Hartlepool in Papa Maff's as well, you know their garlic's going to be creme de la creme. Same here. Chili sauce, take a look. Same again. Very creamy texture. A lot of herbs and spices in there. Can you see how jam-packed that is with these little spices in that? Wow. Oh, there. Quite possibly one of the best chili sauces I've tried on the channel. Quite possibly. Yes. Yes. Wow. Oh. Papa Maff's, Mr. M, is also doing milkshakes. Shukr, alhamdulillah. £3.99 will get you a medium milkshake. I'm not expecting creme de la creme. I'm just expecting a nice creamy milkshake, because these guys are known for their pizzas, for their parmos, for their takeout stuff. So having a milkshake is a very welcoming addition. Wow. Very creamy. I just wish that was a see-through straw so you could see how thick and creamy that milkshake is. Really creamy. I thought it was going to be milky, but it's not. nice, cool and fresh. Right, quick rundown before we give this place a score. We started off with that Palmo, the tandoori hot shop, fantastic. I think we tried one of these in Hartlepool, nowhere near as good as this one. Really great. Kebab meat was old school, and them steak chips were to die for. You know what, it's been a good homecoming, because I came here on my first review. Well, not this place, but the guy who owns it. Oops, what's going on there? And then we went on to try out their tandoori hot shop pizza. It was absolutely creme de la creme. 10-inch pizza, don't forget guys. All this is going to cost you £14. Sauces have been fantastic. And to me, that's been the star for me, because it's something I've never really tried before. Washed it all down with a milkshake. Kind of Fanta lemon in my hand. Hey guys. Only one more thing left to do. Well, two more things left to do. First things first, let's leave Mr. M with a score. I can't remember what I gave Papa Maths when I first did them, but this place is very, very close. It's going to be a mid-9. I'm going to go ahead and give this place a 9.3. Yes, 9.3. Fantastic experience. Really enjoyed it. Fantastic service. Fantastic lads. Fantastic prices. Only one more thing left to say to Mr. M in Middlesbrough from TFT and the team and my 6.5-foot cameraman. You guys have all officially been Food Troll certified. And me and Fanta Lemon shall see you for the next one.